Hey guys, so in this session we're gonna install JDK. So let's start googling JDK download. Let's move into Oracle site. Here now we need to choose the most appropriate version of JDK. We already discussed on how to choose the version of JDK in one of the previous videos. We have to choose LTS version, right? Long-term support version. At the time of recording of this video, it is Java SE 11. So let's go with this. So I'm going to download JDK SE 11. All right. Now let's choose the version that we need. I'm gonna install JDK in my Windows machine, so we need Windows installer. All right, yeah, here you go. Windows 64-bit installer. I'm gonna download this one. I'm gonna accept their license agreement and download it. So now it's asking for an account sign-in. Okay, so what you should do is, if you don't have an account, you need to create an account. You should click this create account button, and then you need to fill a form and just create an account. It's a pretty straightforward and easy process. You can do it very easily, and once you have an Oracle account, you can use it. Okay, so create an account first if you don't have one, and then using that account that you've created, you just sign in. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in with the account that I have. Okay, let's sign in. Now the setup started downloading. Let's wait till the download is complete. There you go, it's ready. So now let's start setting it up. So just double click the setup. Click yes. Next. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the default directory. Okay, we don't need to change it. Let's install into the default path that the setup is suggesting. Let's click next. It's done. The next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the path where it is already installed. Let us find it out. It's in C:, program files, Java, JDK 11. This is the one that we just installed. So here, what you should do is you need to copy this path and set a system variable called Java. Okay, it's important to do that. So I'm gonna copy this path. Okay, let's copy this, and we need to set this path to a system variable Java. So let's see how we can do it. So you can right click this PC, take properties, and then you got to select advanced system settings. Yeah, you have to select this one, and then you get the system properties and select environment variables. Under environment variables, under system variables, okay, you can set Java, a new environment variable. We're going to create a system variable here. Okay, it's better to add it here under system variable, so that it will be available for all the users of the system of this machine. Or else, if you just want to limit to a particular user, the currently logged in user, you can create the variable here as well. Okay, so that if you add the variable here, it will be accessible only to the currently logged in user. Or otherwise, if you add it here, system variables, it will be available to all the users of this machine. Okay, so I'm gonna add it under system variables. So let's click new and add Java hyphen home. Here's the Java home variable, and just paste the path that you already copied, which is the one that you copied from the location where you installed Java. Okay, the same path. So we're gonna add this variable. Let's click OK. See, now you have a new variable added here, right? It's here. Now the next thing that you should do is you have to add the Java exe path to the system path variable. We have another path variable here, which is path. So here you have to add the path if it is already not here. So what you should do is go inside this bin folder, and then under bin you should have Java. Okay, so this is the exe, Java exe. So we need to get this one. So copy this folder, all path, and then what you should do is just add it to the path variable. So here path, we're going to add one more value to this path variable. Just select, just click on edit, and then new, just paste the path here. Okay, bin. So we added this bin path here, and so now let's click OK, and let's proceed. Click OK here, and then close it out. All right, now we are good. So next thing is to check whether everything is set up properly. So let us check it by checking the version of the Java installed. So let's take command. Okay, choose this command prompt, and here just type Java space hyphen version. Okay, if you are getting the version of Java here, then we are good. So we could install Java successfully. That's the reason why it is showing the path here. So we installed Java JDK version 11, and then we have set up Java home, and we also added the bin folder of Java exe into system path variable. Okay, so by this we have successfully set up JDK in a Windows machine. Alright, so I'll see you in another video with another topic. Okay, till then, bye bye.